Hey guys, welcome back to Hang with Harper. Today I'm going to be doing my experiment. And today I would like to show you my experience today. Before we get into the video, safety first. Now let's get right into the video. Woo!
Go ask mommy nice if she can open up the door. Mama. Having fun exploring things is what you came in for. Living, laughing, loving, cause we learning every minute. Doing alphabets and now we counting all the digits. Cause we're hanging with Harper. Yeah, we're hanging with Harper. Cause we're hanging with Harper. Cause we're hanging with Harper today.
Hi guys, so we're going to be seeing how fast ice takes to melt with water. Okay, so you need 3 cups of glass to put in the ice. You need water. You need water, room temperature water, and ice cold water. And then you need 3 timers. And then you need your ice. Let's get started. Woo! Hi guys, so we're gonna put ice in each glass. Let's get started. This one's the most coldest one. I'm pouring my 1 cup of hot water into the cup. Okay, now I'm going to start the timer. Milk's melting. Melting is drying too. Oh, skin, that one's melting for real. That one's melting fast. This hot water is making this ice burn. That's burning for real. It's all melted. One minute and 35 seconds for the ice to melt. Next one, let's for my room temperature water. Okay. Ooh. While room temperature water is melting, let's fill our cold water. Time to pour. Whoa. Adding more ice to it. Time for a check-in to see how our ice is melting. So the hot water melts the fastest, and the room temperature water melt the is trying to melt, and this one's not melting because the water is so cold. That type of liquid melted the ice faster. And that one is trying to melt, and that one's not melting. It's just getting more colder. Okay, the room temperature water melted. It took 10 minutes and 44 seconds. In case, guys, I'm back. In case you were wondering, the ice water is still melting. It's been like 12 hours, or like 11 hours, 13 hours, and yeah, so if you want to melt ice, don't use ice water, because this is taking forever. Hi guys, so like the ice cold water ice melted, so it took 98 minutes and 59 seconds. Harper. Period. Now I'm out.